We are here out on the pier. Boats are getting ready, locked up. Second annual Burton's Invitational. Today, day one, is fishing day. We're gonna go out and catch some whoppers. Let's go.
We're at day 2 now. Yesterday was amazing. We had a bunch of teams go out fishing, catching a lot of fish. Today they're going to get some lobster. We'll meet at the sandbar. We're going to keep this thing going. We're going to keep raising money for the National Pediatric Cancer Foundation.
We're on the sandbar, baby. What are we cooking today?
Today we're cooking cheeseburgers in paradise.
So today, with our lobster, which we just caught, nice and fresh, we're gonna put a little bit of sausage with it, do a little surf and turf.
That has hot pepper jelly, cream cheese, and French fried onions.
All these companies came together to make sure we could do this. Big Green Egg, you guys, we could not do it without those eggs. So the overall winner, Team Meet Dave.
Man, we made those Big Green Eggs work hard this weekend, and we rode them all the way to a grand championship.